When we first hooked everything up, for the first time of being able to move my hand, it was a big shock because, it's something that I hadn't moved in about 3.5 years at that point. Now it's just something that's so fluid, it's just kind of like it was before I had my injury, where I just think about what I want to do, and now I can do it. I know that in the future it'll really be able to help a lot of people. Hope is really important, and for me it's really just hope for the future.